Hi everyone, this is Bernie, your Revit blaster here at Printastat Incorporated, bringing you the TNT for Revit users. In this video, I want to show you a kind of a slick little idea of how to manipulate your topo points to get them where you like them. This is just going to be a one elevation concrete sidewalk next to a building. Here's the building wall, the sidewalk, the curb line. That's a section line right there, but the curb line here, and topo up against the curb. I found this out about 5 years ago or so. We had scanned a shopping center. We were creating the existing plans, and I looked at this really with curiosity at the time because I was putting in topo. That's my topo. It's a little different now. It's a topo solid, something they upgraded here in Revit, but it still works similar. This I did right now for the example, all one elevation. This concrete sidewalk is at floor line. The topo, I need to be 6 inches below the top of curb for curb reveal. So I put this topo in. I just drew 4 corners, and that was it. Left it all the same elevation. But there are some points that are below. Let me show you what I mean. I hit modify sub-elements. It gives you the points. You can see this is -6, -6. Hopefully that's -6, -6. Okay, so that's where it was. And then, as I go down the line here, you see this is -1 foot, -16 inches, -19 inches, -18 inches. So I did that so I could show you how to control that. What I did was, I was in the middle of doing this. I had the point cloud on. I had some curbing and sidewalk in, and I wanted to match the existing. So I knew, based on the point cloud, where the actual grade was, because I was going to do existing and new. So I created a section that was looking at these topo points. That's this section here. See how the topo point is there at the top of the topo. There's the first couple. They're at 6 inches. The next one was at a foot, right? And here's something new that Autodesk did. This is pretty slick. They gave you a grip to move the topo point. So now I'm going to take it, and I'm going to grab it, move it up to there. And it's on there. The topo hasn't moved yet because it's in, can't say the word, interpolating. I don't know if I said that right. But it's creating it. Now you'll see that this one is at the right spot. There it is. That one's at 6 inches. But this one still is down. So we'll take that one and move it up to there. So we get 6 inches of reveal. And how do I know that that's 6 inches? So here's what I did. This worked out pretty cool. I had a 4-inch slab in behind the curb. And as I looked in this section, I had it on wireframe. I saw the bottom of the slab. So I made the slab 6 inches, so I knew in this section how far I needed to go up when I dragged this up. And there it is. They're all at 6 inches. Gives them my 6-inch reveal of the curve. I'm going to hit my modify tab to get out of the command. I can even go to this section here. And you see how there's 6 inches of a curve reveal there. So that works out nice. And in 3D, you can kind of zoom in there and see it's all at 6 inches below the curve. And that's exactly what I want. So, take that and use it. Put the section in ahead of time so that when you go into modify sub-elements, it's there. You have it open. You can just pick the tab and go to the section, and you can see all those sub-elements. And you can adjust them all you want. All right? Hope this helps you in what you're doing. I found it to be a real handy tool. Have a great day, everyone.